Aluminum boats versus fiberglass. Built to last. We use marine-grade aluminum, the same used in professional vessels. It resists corrosion, deformation, and salt water. No paint, no problem. It's made to last decades. Welded for strength. Our hulls, cabins, and interiors are precisely welded. It's not just connecting metal. It's expert engineering for strength, quiet operation, and safety. Plus, no fiberglass maintenance needed. Lightweight and efficient aluminum is lighter than fiberglass, so your boat planes faster, uses less fuel, and needs a smaller engine. Great for both work and recreation. Low maintenance. Forget fiberglass osmosis issues. Aluminum doesn't blister or crack. Just rinse it with water. No garage storage required. Tailor-made for you. Every Barkmet boat is custom-built, whether you're fishing, cruising with family, or working. We design the layout around how you'll actually use it. Ready to make the smarter choice? Choose aluminum. Choose Barkmet.